Today's stock market saw modest yet discernible gains across major indices, with investors navigating through a blend of mixed corporate earnings reports and new economic data that points to subtle shifts in the broader economic landscape. The Dow Jones Industrial Average managed a gain of about 0.4% in an effort to maintain its momentum from a six-day winning streak. The S&P 500 recorded a rise of 0.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite edged up by 0.1%, reflecting cautious optimism among traders. Economic indicators and market reaction. This trading day was marked significantly by the latest unemployment claims figures, which showed an unexpected jump to 231,000, an increase from the previous week and the highest figure since August. This spike is a crucial signal to the markets, suggesting a possible cooling in the labor market, a key factor for the Federal Reserve as it continues its battle against inflation. Despite this, the Fed's recent indications suggest that interest rates will remain higher for an extended period, as they see persistent inflation as a major economic challenge. Corporate earnings overview. On the corporate front, a mixed bag of earnings reports influenced market sentiment. ARM Holdings reported a disappointing annual revenue forecast, unsettling investors about the future growth prospects in the AI and semiconductor sectors. The news led to a roughly 3% drop in ARM's shares, with collateral effects felt by industry peers such as NVIDIA and AMD, both of which registered slight declines. Warner Bros. Discovery also fell short of earnings expectations, resulting in a 2% drop in its stock price. This adds to the narrative of uncertainty as different sectors continue to report varied financial health. In contrast, Roblox reported a significant downturn after acknowledging reduced spending within its gaming platform, a development that suggests potential challenges ahead in the digital entertainment and gaming sectors. Robinhood's positive stride. In a more positive vein, Robinhood Markets provided some upbeat news. The company's stock saw a notable increase after it reported earnings that exceeded expectations, driven primarily by a substantial 232% year-over-year increase in crypto trading volumes. The financial services company is evidently moving beyond its earlier fluctuations driven by the meme stock phenomenon to a phase of more stable and potentially sustainable growth. Robinhood also announced upcoming product launches, including a credit card and index options, signaling its intent to broaden its market base and attract significant retirement assets from competitors. Strategic outlook and analyst perspectives. While some analysts remain skeptical, viewing the recent success as potentially the high point for Robinhood, others acknowledge the strides the company has made. The skepticism particularly revolves around whether such robust growth can be maintained, especially in a volatile market environment. However, Robinhood's strategic initiatives, such as expanding its product offerings and targeting long-term asset accumulation, suggest a strategic repositioning that could solidify its standing in the competitive financial services landscape. Market and economic outlook. As we look forward, the market continues to be shaped by a complex interplay of corporate performance and macroeconomic indicators. Investors remain tuned to further earnings reports that will provide additional color on the health of various industries. Moreover, economic data, particularly relating to employment and inflation, will be crucial in shaping Federal Reserve policies, which in turn will influence market dynamics. In this context of shifting market currents and economic policy, the broader implications for investment strategies and economic forecasts remain a focal point for analysts and investors alike. For deeper insights into these developments, especially in light of today's market movements and corporate earnings, stay tuned for the upcoming detailed discussion with Robinhood's co-founder and CEO Vlad Tenev on Yahoo Finance. This interview is anticipated to shed more light on Robinhood's future plans and its potential impact on the investment landscape.